Hey everybody, it's Rob at Cool Cat's Garage, and I wanted to share a tool that my good friends at MichaelProTools sent me out, and see what you guys think of it. Let's get into it. This is their 8-piece SAE wrench set. I don't know if they call it a leverage set. That's what I would call it. It's 12 points, 5/16 to 3/4 inch. But the coolest part to me is the leverage that you can put on these is absolutely amazing. And that's what I love about it. You could put some power on these things, and they are chrome vanadium, so they're pretty strong. They're really strong. And the part number is MP001014. So they are $49.95 from them, and they're on Amazon too. I'm sorry, I don't know the price. I didn't look. I'm sure it's probably relatively the same. But MichaelProTools is based in Missouri. I spoke to them on several occasions. They're great guys, and it seems like a solid company to me. So these are made in Taiwan. Now we all know that if you can't get it in the States, Taiwan is your next best choice. So here you go. I have not used them. I have to be honest with you. I haven't used them because I don't own anything that's SAE. And plus I'm getting over being sick, and that's why my voice is a little messed up. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys, let you see it, give you all the bells and whistles here, and I appreciate everybody stopping by and taking a look. I really appreciate it. So if you're in the market for a nice wrench, consider MichaelProTools. They won't let you down. Thanks everybody, and have a good night and a great week.